Good morning, everyone. My name is Dharmi Ahir, and I am student of Fitness and Health Promotion course at Durham College. Today, I will present fire as the connection of big history. So, we will learn about the fire's connection with natural history, with human history, and its connection with the threshold of increasing complexity. So, what is fire? Fire is the rapid oxidation of material, means fuel, in the exothermic chemical process of combustion, releasing heat, light, and various reaction products. Eliza. Fire and its natural history. So, fire has long been used as a tool for soil fertilization and to control plant growth. In keeping up numerous of the world's major biomes, counting prairies, savannas, shrublands, bird wildlands. It's, th- it's thought that worldwide woodlands would be twofold in a degree with the non-attendance of fire. Means if there is no fire, that then the forest which we have, they are double if fire was not there. For hundreds of the million of years, wildfire has shaped the planet from the plants, animals, ecosystem around us, the air we breathe. Now, the charcoal record appears that by 420 millions, a long time back, these three fixing means spark, fuel, and oxygen were accessible in adequate amounts such that fire got to be a neurons on the scene, means fire came to its action. The timing of Earth's most punctual combustibility gave a key knowledge into the atmospheric oxygen substance, a characteristic that Langton called one of the master variable of the soil framework. Now, fire's connection with human history. Fire has been an important part of the Earth system for over 350 years. Million years, humans evolved in the fairy world and are the only animals to have used and controlled fire. The interaction of mankind with the fire is a complex one with both positive and negative aspects. People have long utilized fire for warming, cooking, administration, and horticulture, as well as for the biotechnologies and in mechanical form over more later centuries. Fire has had a number of influences. Perhaps among its early benefits was providing the ability to cook food, thereby changing the quality of human diet with attendance of increasing in their brain size. Now, here is the picture of the instrument which human made with the help of fire for the killing animals and hunting. Now, fire and increasing complexity. Fire has played a critical part indeed within the mental advancement of the Western culture. The concept of fire has changed within the minds of people, polarizing between fire that's respected, reveled, and utilized to being dreaded and smoothed as the populace moves inside the scene. It is connected with the threshold 6 collective learning. Means fire made people to shift from one place to another. It helps people to be together and learn new things. We'll see how. So, fire has played a critical part indeed with the mental advancement of Western culture. The concept of fire has changed within the minds of people, polarizing between fire that's loved, adored, and utilized to being dreaded and smoothed as the population moves inside the scene. Fire and increasing complexity. Fire was a critical calculate in growth and creating social orders of early primates. Means one effect fire might have had was social stratification. Those who may make and use fire had more control than those who might not, and may have in this manner had a better position in society. Proof of expensive hearth shows that the larger part of this nighttime action was went through around the fire, contributing to social initiative among people. This expanded some of social interaction in conjuncted to be critical within the development of dialect because it's cultivated more communication among peoples. Means after the invention of the fire, people know how to control fire. So at the night time they gather and they do communication socialization more. So this is the part of collective learning, threshold 6. Another impact that the nearness of fire had on primate social order is that it required bigger and bigger bunches to work together to preserve and maintain the fire. People had to work together to discover fuel for the fire, keep up the fire, and total other fundamental assignments, which improves collective learning. These bigger bunches might have included more seasonal people, grandparents to assist care for the children. Eventually, fire had a critical impact on the estimate and social intelligence of early primate communities. Here are the references of my presentation, and thank you everyone for listening. Thank you.